Good day, delightful students. My name is Dr. Andrew Lacanienta. You can call me Dr. L. This video is touching on some of the main points in our syllabus for RPTA 221, Professionalism and Customer Service. Basic course information, office hours, and how to contact me can be found here. We have 3 textbooks for the course. The first 2 are important to buy and read. If not for this class, then for life in general. The third is a free text you can download and read through the Cal Poly Library website. Here are our course learning outcomes. This explains how we will do learn by doing as opposed to learn then doing. Each day we will have ad hoc presentations, followed by a brief introduction and demonstration of the topic. Then we will learn by doing, by using case studies, discussions, and application activities. Afterwards, we will summarize, synthesize, and debrief. Then students will have an opportunity to synthesize, write down, and share what they learned in class today. Your responsibilities for the course include the following. Attendance is very important and is a large chunk of your grade. Attendance will be taken every day. In addition to attendance, since this class is about professionalism, we will be required to dress up for class each day. You can contact me via email and Slack. We will set up Slack as a class. Don't worry too much about it right now. But I can always be reached via email or during office hours. Submission deadlines are always at 4:55 p.m. on the due date. I do this in an effort to encourage healthy work habits and ending the day at a normal hour. I do this in hopes that you spend your evenings with friends, relaxing, and enjoying good food, instead of cooped up in the library working on my assignment until 11:59 p.m. With that in mind, self-care is very important to me. I want you to care for yourself and to flourish this quarter. I encourage you to sleep well, eat well, and be well in all things. Here's a list of your assignments and how they fit into the overall grade of the course. As you can see here, attendance is about 40% of your grade, so showing up to class is crucial. Descriptions of each assignment can be found in detail here. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me. We will also be discussing each assignment, project, and evaluation in more depth as the due dates move closer. I am thrilled to be able to spend the quarter with you. I look forward to learning from you and with you as we discuss professionalism, personal growth, and designing meaningful customer experiences. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.